This is Shobit, and in this video let's see a quick unboxing and review of this Boat Rocker 610 on-ear wireless headphones. So basically it's a Bluetooth type of headphones, and actually I've already taken out this headphone, and so this headphone I bought from a local shop in my city. So if you are a viewer from my city, then you can definitely check out this headphone from the address given in the description box. Also, these headphones are available over amazon.in, so I have dropped the link in the description box. If you want to buy this headphone from Amazon, then you can definitely check the link. Now if you are new to my channel Shobroted, then hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon to get the notifications. Now without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. Now let us see the unboxing of this headphone. So you can see the box color is of slightly coffee color, and you can see the Boat branding itself is given on the top, and the model is given, that is Rocker 610 on-ear wireless headphone. And on the back and side of the box, it is the Boat branding, because Boat does a lot of branding. And you can see the here it is written that high definition balanced sound. Now you can see some of the features are given here, so you can just read out these features. Now the first feature is hands-free, means you can just pick up calls and you can just attend calls with this headphone. And volume, track change, call, all the button functionality is given, and the compatibility of this headphone is also given on the back side. Now you can see the next come is the built-in rechargeable batteries, means it do contains a rechargeable battery. And the material is given, that is soft ear cuff for extended, all the microphone with volume control. Now it do contains a microphone. I don't know how to control its volume. Now the next come is the play music wirelessly via mobile tablet. All the features are, and also it is given that passive noise cancelling stereo headphones. So basically it do not contain the active noise cancellation. Now the company claims a music playback up to 20 hours, and which is a very good thing I feel about this headphone. Now the charging time is of 3 hours, written that maximum. If you just charge this headphone from 0 to 100%, then it will just take 3 hours purely. Now the next come is the standby time. The standby time is up to the 45 days. Now here it is written that the marketing and all the things are written, and here it is written that designed in US, made in China, and the warranty of 1 year is given. Now let us just open. So I have already taken out this headphone. Now let us just open this box and see what else you get in this box. Now when you just open this box, then you get this cheap plastic, because Boat does not provide a high quality plastic. Here you get some cable sort of things. Now let us keep this aside and just keep this aside also. Now inside the box you get this carrying pouch, now which is a very good thing if you want to carry this headphones to your tour, or you are going outside, then you can just carry this in this pouch. Now these headphones are actually foldable. Now you can just fold it like this. You can see you can just fold it like this, and you can just carry it to anywhere. Now just other things is this is the warranty card, and all the warranty, how to claim the warranty is given in this card. Now also you get this user manual. Now from this user manual you can read how to use and what is the specification of this headphones. Now the other thing, you will get this advertisement or board card, and this is mainly a booklet, a long booklet in which all the products of Boat is given, so you can just check out this. Now let us talk about this headphones. Now you can see the build quality of this headphone is very premium. As you can see, the Boat branding on the side panel is given also. Now here is the panel of all the control panel is given. Now you can see the control panel is given. So here you can see the power on button. If you just press, this is a physical switch. Actually it's a physical switch, this is not a touch screen. I was shocked to see this thing. Just you have to press, this is a physical button, but this is the sort of physical button is given. given. So just you have to press this for 3 seconds, and it will just turn on like this. The purple bluish light will glow like this, and it will just got connect to your phone. And this is a track change button, and this is the volume button also, and here the branding is given, and here you can see a microphone is given. You can see the here's the microphone, a small hole integrated microphone is here, and here's the 3.5 mm port. Now here's the charging port, that is USB type B. Now you can see the metal, and the metal is used in making this headphone, and also no plastic. I like this headphone because no plastic is used in making this headphone. This is here the rubber mixed plastic is used, so I think the material used in making of this headphone is very good. Also the material is very premium. So this was the unboxing of this headphone. Now let us do the review of this headphone. Review of this Boat Rocker 610 wireless on-ear headphones. Now I've divided this review again in certain aspect, and I will discuss them one by one. Now the first come is the comfort. Now the comfortability level of this headphone is very good because these have a good padding over this headset, and also the material used in making of this headphone is very soft. So, and the padding of the ear is also very good. So I would say the comfortability level of this headphone is good, but what I felt, the clamping force of this headphone is slightly more. So if you just wear this headphone for about 1 hour to 2 hours, or 1 hour to 1.5 hours, then you will feel certain pain in your cartilage of the ear. So I think the clamping force is very high. So for the comfortability level, I will cut some points. So I will give them simply 9 out of 10 for the comfort. The next come is the build quality and look. Now the build quality of this headphone is very premium, and the built material also used in making of this headphone is not plastic. It just have a rubber mixed plastic on the side panels of this ear, but it do contain a metal and some bolts and this type of sort of fabric, leather type fabric, and also the ear cups also contain some type of stuff. It do not have any pure leather or any other thing. So this has this type of metallic hooks like this. So for the build quality, the build quality of the headphone is very good. Now coming to the look of this headphone, now the look of this headphone is very premium. Actually this headphone is a slightly of vintage type of look, means the old style look, but the look, overall look is very premium. So for the build quality and look, I will simply give it a rating of 9.5 out of 10. The next come is the battery life. Now the Boat has done a very great job in terms of battery life. Now the Boat claims a battery life of 20 hours, and I have been using this headphone for continuously for 10 to 12 hours. After using 10 to 12 hours, the battery was still 50%. So the Boat has done a very great job. And also the charging time is 3 hours, and the standby time is of 45 days. So if you are just watching a movie, if you want to watch movies, and you are just you want to listen songs or etc., then you can definitely check this headphone. The battery life with this headphone is very good. So for the battery life, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Now the next come is the fit. Now the fit level of this headphone is very good because the clamping force given in this headphone is very good. So the design of this headphone is very good. So you can just wear this headphone, and if you are a sort of outdoor type of guy, then you can easily wear this headphone and do whatever, running, jogging, or you are just going to gym, you can do everything. Now for the fit, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Now the next come is the noise cancellation. Now the noise cancellation of this headphone is good because it contains passive noise cancellation. It do not contain active noise cancellation. So for the noise cancellation, I will give them simply 9 out of 10. Now the next come is the integrated mic. Now the integrated mic of this headphone is not that much good. I was very disappointed because Boat in this price range, the Boat is not providing a good mic to us. Now whenever I called someone or I have just talked someone on call, then other party always complains about the mic, that he complains about the bass in the voice or the disintegrated voice. So I will just cut some points. I will give them simply 7.5 out of 10, which is I would say the average, below than average rating. Now the next come is the sound quality. Now I have divided this sound quality again in certain aspect, and I will discuss them one by by one. The first aspect comes is the bass. Now the bass of this headphone is very premium, and you can just wear this headphone and you can just listen to any type of music. The bass of this headphone, because Boat always emphasize over the bass, and in all their headphones, basically in Bluetooth headphones in which the rocker word is there, then the bass is very overpowering. But in this headphone the bass is very standard, so you will get a very standard bass. So for the bass I will give them simply 10 out of 10. Whenever it is necessary in the song, the bass will be there. So for the bass I will give them simply 10 out of 10. The next come is the high and mid tones. The high and mid tones of this headphone is very good, but what I felt that when the music level goes to high and when a peak come to a music, then the somewhat sound disintegration will happen there. I think that the high and mid tones of this headphone is not that much good, so I'll give them simply 9 out of 10. Now the next come is the vocals. Now the vocals of this headphone is very good. If you just listening to any song or any music, then the vocals, the words used in that song or music will be very clear, and also the beats will be very clear. So for the vocals I will give them simply 10 out of 10. The next come is the overall sound quality. Now in this budget you get a very decent sound, so for the overall sound quality I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10. Now this was the review of this headphones, and now we will discuss, now coming to the price of this headphone. The actual price, the Boat company price of this headphone 3990, but the shop price, if you just buy from the link in given from the address given in the description box, then the shop price is 2500. Now which is a very good, and in this price range you get many features. Now the point coming is the overall rating I should give to this headphone. Now in this price range of 2500 rupees, you get many features. You get a premium look, you get soft earbuds, on all the things is very good. So the overall rating I will give them simply 9 out of 10. Now the next comment is it worth to buy this headphone? So yes, it is worth to buy this headphones. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Shobit. I hope to see you in my next video. If you like this video, then hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel Shobro Tech. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, take care, Jai Bharat.